Okay, so here in this video we'll be doing the sum formula. Earlier in the last video we just did कि अगर आपके पास कोई arithmetic sequence है and we need to find the general formula to find any particular term, right? So we use the general term, the nth formula, that is this one, a plus n minus 1 d. But when we have the sequence, for example, we have this particular sequence 4, 6, 8, 10 and up to I can say 13 terms are there. So if I say that what is the sum for these 13 terms, so of course you will not keep on adding them. So for that as well we have a formula. So the first formula is n by 2. Okay, if we are just calculating general rule, so we don't put the value for n. If we have a, if you can see, this is a, the first term. L means the last term, so we'll write L means the last term. अगर आपको फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म दी हुई है तो आप ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर लो, नहीं तो n by 2 2a, ठीक है. a is first term, n you know position of the term, and d means common difference. So in a part, if we see from this assignment, question number 3, a part, 4, 11 and so on till 16 terms. So I can say a is 4, d is second term, that is 11 minus first term, which is 7. First term, which is 4, and 11 minus 4 is 7. And n is, they're saying sum of the sequence and write in summation notation, means you just need to write in sum format as well. So here we have n as 16. So we will just write the formula. We cannot use the first formula, this one, because we don't have the last term, नहीं तो भी हम वो use करते. So we have n by 2 I'll write here n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. So n is 16th term, 2a, 2 into 4 is 2 into 4 plus 16 minus 1, d is 7. So we just open the bracket. We have 16 upon 2 means 8, 4 into 2 8, 16 minus 1 is 15, 15 multiplied by 7. So 8 plus 15 multiplied by 7, which is 105. So 105 plus 8 will do, which is 113, and 113 and 8 का meaning है जो बाहर 8 है, that means we need to add. So 113 multiplied by 8, bracket means to multiply. Okay, so 8 bracket 113, so that is 904. And they are saying find the sum of the terms. We have calculated and write in summation notation. So summation notation is anything, just put the value, n को नहीं put करना, बाकी सब put कर दो. Here we have the answer of sum of 16 terms. Summation notation में you just have to 2 bracket a is 4, n minus 1 d is 7. So you just write like n by 2, 8 plus 7, n minus 7. So n by 2, 7, n plus 1. So this is the summation notation. Okay, तो दिस इज़ द इक्वेशन. एंड इसमें जितनी भी टर्म्स का अगर आपको सम निकालना है, अभी आपको 16 का निकालना था तो आपने 16 पुट किया. इफ़ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट फॉर 10 टर्म्स, देन दिस इज़ द जनरल फार्मूला. So this is the answer for the 16 terms, and this is the summation notation. Then if we see the B part, let's see. B part is 19 comma 13 comma till 10 terms we have. So we can find the summation notation first, which is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1d. This needs to be learned. n is, we are not putting because हम summation notation निकाल रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे a क्या है? I will put a 19 first term, d is second term minus first term, 13 minus 19, which is minus 6. Okay, so 2a, a की जगह I need to see a is 19, n we don't know, d is minus 6. So n by 2 38 minus 6 into minus 6 into n is minus 6n. Minus 6 into minus 1, please don't do the mistake, it is plus 6, okay? Minus 6 into minus 1 is plus 6. So we have n by 2, n by 2, 38 plus 6 is 44, 44 minus 6n. So this is the sum formula, summation notation. अब आपको 10 टर्म्स का निकालना है तो आप इसमें 10 पुट कर दो, सिंपल एज दैट. 10 by 2, 44 minus 6 multiplied by 10. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 44 minus 60 we need to do. So that is coming out to be 44 minus 60 is minus 16 multiplied by 5, which is minus 80. So we have the sum of 10 terms as well, and we have the summation notation as well. Okay, then let's see the D part, this one. Here minus 9 comma minus 1 dot dot dot, and we have total 8 terms. First term is minus 9. If I have to calculate the difference, please don't do an error. Second term, which is minus 1, minus the first term, which is minus 9. So please don't forget to put this, and also solve this. Minus minus is plus. So it is minus 1 plus 9, which is D, which is 8. Okay, and let's calculate the general rule first. Sum के लिए we have this formula. So n is, we don't have to put n first. 2 into minus 9 is minus 18. N I'm not putting. D is 8. Okay, so n by 2 minus 18 plus 8n minus 8. So we have n by 2, 8n minus 18 minus 8 is minus 26. So this is the general rule. Okay, and if I have to calculate the sum for how many terms in D part? 8 terms. So I'll just write 8 by 2, 8 into 8 minus 26. So 8 divided by 2 is 8, 64 minus 26. So we just need to do 64 minus 26, which is 38. 38 multiplied by 4, which is 152. So ये सारे questions में ही E and F you will do it on your own. Okay, and I'll check E, F, G and H. It's nothing now, you just need to calculate the sum. And if you don't get the answer, particularly maybe for H part, if you're not getting the answer, let me know so that I can help you. In all these questions, you just have to put the formula of sum, which is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. अगर जनरल रूल निकालना है तो आपको सब वैल्यूज़ पुट कर दो, बस n मत पुट करो, बिकॉज दैट इज़ द जनरल टर्म, राइट? जनरल सम का हमारा रूल है. एंड अगर आपको टर्म दी हुई है कि आपको कहाँ तक निकालना है, देन यू कैन राइट द आंसर. अच्छा, इन दिस ना वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड टिल डी पार्ट. ई एन एफ भी मैं करा देती हूँ, बिकॉज ई एन एफ में दूसरा फॉर्मूला यूज्ड है. इफ़ यू सी ई पार्ट, हियर लास्ट टर्म इज़ गिवन. पहले ए बी सी डी तक दिया था टर्म्स कितनी है, 16 टर्म्स, 20 टर्म्स, 10 टर्म्स एंड 8 टर्म्स. सो इफ़ यू सी हियर इन ई पार्ट ना, द लास्ट टर्म इज़ गिवन. सो इसमें हम कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज़ करते हैं जब लास्ट टर्म दी होती है? ए प्लस एल. एल इज़ द लास्ट टर्म. तो ये तो बहुत ईजी है. सो हमारे पास ए प्लस एल, अब जैसे यहाँ पे 5, 9, 13 डॉट 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 1 0 1 है. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास ए है 5, डिफरेंस है 9 माइनस 5 विच इज़ 4, एंड लास्ट टर्म है 1 0 1, राइट? सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज़ वी जस्ट नीड टू राइट, पहले हमें इससे n निकालना पड़ता है. ओके, वी डोंट नो n, राइट? हमें नहीं पता कितनी टर्म्स हैं. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट n. दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज आपके पास यहाँ पे कितनी टर्म्स है वो नहीं दिया हुआ है. आपके पास सीधा सिर्फ ए दिया हुआ है और लास्ट टर्म दी हुई है, तो मैं सम कैसे निकालूँ? सो उसके लिए ना हमें ये वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, a plus n minus 1d, or maybe let's do one thing, let's do this e part in next video, because I want to start fresh with the e part in the next video. So you just do a b c d in this, that's it. We'll do e f g h in next video.